Hello and welcome to the Publisher training video. We will begin by logging in. Type your username, password, and click Login. This brings us to the Publisher homepage, giving you access to four main areas. Top left is a layout of the television represented by zones 1 and 2. Bottom left is a template list. Bottom right, a scheduler for choosing when your templates will show. Top right will present information about your templates, and top left will be where you actually enter your content. Information in these areas will be available once you start the process by selecting a zone. This area, consisting of Zone 1 and Zone 2, is a replica of what you will see on the TV. Now working in a counterclockwise direction, we will begin with Zone 1. Once clicked, it will prompt you to choose a template, so I will choose Activities. This gives us more options, including access to a scheduler, multiple pages, and an input area to enter your text. Start with the scheduler. The scheduler presents 2 months at one time, plus access to additional months using the arrows at the bottom left and bottom right of the calendars. The single arrow moves the calendar selection 1 month at a time in that direction, while the double arrow moves the selection 4 months at a time. Pick a date where you would like to enter text. The orange boxes in the top right area represent the 5 pages available for entering text, and by default starts at page 1. The white box in the top left area is where you enter text with approximately 10 lines of text available per page. Click in the white box area and start typing, or copy and paste the text from another application. It is important to note that if you enter more lines of text than is allowed, a scroll bar will appear on the right indicating anything past this point will not appear on the television. Should this happen, simply back up until the scroll bar disappears. If you have more text to enter, then select the next available page and repeat. Once completed, please remember to click the Save Changes button. After saving changes for that selected date, continue to select other dates if desired, and repeat the previous steps. The scheduler provides a copy event feature that enables you to copy content from one date to another or many without having to retype. The drop-down list contains 3 possible copy selections: copy a single date, copy multiple dates, and copy a range of dates. How to copy a single date. Start by selecting the date with the text you want to duplicate. Choose Single Date from the drop-down menu list, which is the default, then click the date that you wish to copy to, or click Cancel. How to copy multiple dates. Start by selecting the date with the text you want to duplicate. Choose multiple dates from the drop-down list, and click the Copy Event button. Continuously select the dates you wish to contain the same text as the original selected date. When done, click Finish to end. How to copy a range of dates. Start by selecting the date with the text you want to duplicate, then choose Range of Dates from the drop-down list and click the Copy Event button. Next, select the first date in the range you are copying to, which cannot be the original date containing the text you are copying. Once you have selected the first date, the date that becomes marked and all dates prior to it are colored gray, indicating that they cannot be selected. Now, select the last date to be copied to, and all dates between the first and last dates will contain the copied text. Cancel can be clicked at any time during the process. Note that orange-colored items indicate that there is content present. Content can be deleted by clicking the date and simply removing the text, or by selecting a blank page and use the Copy Event feature to blank other single or multiple selected pages. If you need to add or change content in another template, select that template and repeat the steps you did for the previous template. Zone 1 and Zone 2 template editing and publishing are the same with one exception. Whereas Zone 1 allows for approximately 10 lines per page, Zone 2 is based on 1 line due to the nature of how it presents content on the television. Zone 1 is designed to present a full page with multiple lines of information at one time, while Zone 2 is designed to scroll one line of information from right to left along the bottom of the television screen. Select a Zone 2 template and you will see it also has a white box to enter information, but this time it is a one-line rectangle. The other difference is that there is no automatic word wrap. Instead, you are allowed to continue typing and the text will appear in a ticker fashion at the bottom of the television display. There is no limit to the amount of text you enter. However, it should be kept with reason, keeping in mind your audience and how much time is required to read the information. All other steps are the same in regards to scheduling, amount of pages, etc. Remember to always click the Save Changes button after each event entry. Publisher offers slideshow feature which allows you to upload as many as 18 photos per slideshow, which is available in Zone 1. Select photos in the template list and then click the Edit Slideshow button. This will pop up a new window containing your slideshow. As you can see here, we have 2 photos currently in the slideshow, and below it tells us how many more we can add. You have the option of deleting selected photos by clicking the X at the top right of each photo, or deleting all photos by selecting the checkbox beside the Upload New Photos button. To upload photos, click the Upload New Photos button and locate them on your computer. You do have the ability to upload more than one photo at a time. Select your photos and click Open, at which time you will see the Upload progress bar appear. Once all photos have been uploaded, they will appear in the sequence you have selected them. You can then rearrange the order by selecting and dragging the desired position. Once completed, please remember to complete the process by clicking the OK button. Once you've completed your session of content updates, simply click the Logout button in the top right. Your content is automatically published and sent to the television at your facility, which only takes a few minutes. This brings us to the end of this tutorial, so until next time, keep on publishing.